What happens when I challenge AI to make a beat like a major label girl group? I told Suno, give me something fierce, futuristic, Y2K inspired, but still hyper feminine like KATSEYE, MIA, or Gnarly. And the result? Honestly, it shocked me. What? Okay. Wait a minute. Hold up. All right, so this is a very quick tutorial. So I just went to Suno, I clicked create, and then I clicked custom, and I did not have any lyrics or anything this time. So I went ahead and clicked instrumental. And then for style description, that is where I copied in my KATSEYE type beat prompt. I had a lot of stuff going on here, but yeah, feel free to take this, copy it, whatever. I did edit this, but this is the foundation. And then I just copied it into the style description box, and then I just hit create. That's it. All right, this is the first result Suno gave me from the prompt I showed you earlier. It gave me full AI vocals, the beat, everything. Hey, okay, that first result is a little bit of a mess because that's not giving KATSEYE whatsoever. I stripped the vocals just to hear the beat underneath, and yeah, not quite KATSEYE, but it helped me realize what I needed to tweak. All right, guys, this literally took me forever. So I got 3 that I really like. So I'm going to play all 3 for you guys, and we can take a vote in the comments to see which one I'll do a how to write a song like KATSEYE video on. All right, so this is option A. I just really like this one. It's definitely giving that pulsating vibe that I like, that I'm really looking for. Let's kind of skip through it a little bit. So this is probably the hook or the chorus. Very high energy. So this one's really giving that runway, fashion forward, KATSEYE style. So this one I really liked, right? So I went ahead and did a remix version of this track. Let me know if I'm explaining this right, if this makes any sense to you. But I wanted it to be very like braggadocious, but then it switches to like more of a feminine vibe. So this is what I did for this last option. So this is C, option C. So let's take a listen to it. What? Okay. Wait a minute. Hold up. Hold up. Okay. All right, could I be any more obvious that I really love beat 3? But really, it's gonna be up to you guys to vote in the comments. So vote for either beat A, B, or C, and I will write a song like KATSEYE to that beat that you guys vote for. Now, on to our final discussion on Suno AI and what I really think about this app. Let's be real, AI cannot replicate top-tier production, but it can give a decent sketch. So this is what I think it actually did right. Tempo and bounce, synth-driven sound, experimental drum textures. I really feel like it did that. Did it provide layer and depth, transitions, bridges, a cohesive mix? I mean, that's kind of iffy. I don't really think it did that. But for all of this to be pretty much free, I think it's kind of impressive. I'm still going to use at least one of these to make a demo out of, and it's going to be a part of my 2-part how to write a song like KATSEYE video, where I'm going to do one where I'm going to use this demo from Suno AI to make a track, and then the second one I'll do my traditional picking a beat on YouTube and then writing from that. So this is a little series that I'm building here, but I really think it's cool to kind of experiment with Suno. But I do think Suno is good for like sampling or maybe just the foundation of a track. Also, full disclaimer here. Number 1, I am not being sponsored by Suno AI. I am not in any way affiliated with KATSEYE. I am literally just doing this for educational and entertainment purposes. So I just want you guys to know that full out. And I'm not trying to replace producers in any way, shape, or form. So that is my disclaimer. And I want to say again, I am not trying to replace producers, singers, songwriters. I'm a singer-songwriter myself. I love music myself. But I am using this tool as a tool just the same way that I use ChatGPT and all of the other AI programs. So I did see a couple of comments that were like, you're using this, why are you using this? But I'm just like, why are we using ChatGPT? Like, why are we using any of these AI tools? You know, we're just using it as a resource. It's not supposed to take over your entire life, but you can use it as a resource, and that's what I'm doing. So if you like this content, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like this and you want to see the rest of this series. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.